You get into bed. Lights off. Phone down. And suddenly, your brain decides it's time to replay your entire life. That awkward thing you said in 2017. Yeah. That too. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't have a sleep problem. You have a nervous system problem. Point number 1, your brain is not built for this. Your brain is ancient. Like 10,000 years old ancient. It was designed for firelight, silence, slow sunsets. The ancient Indian rishis knew this thousands of years ago. They lived by the same rhythm, no blue light, no endless scrolling. When darkness came, they didn't fight it. They welcomed it as a signal of safety. Now, darkness just means you finally stop distracting yourself. And your brain goes, cool. Let's process everything you've been avoiding. Point number 2, the real sleep killer. It's not caffeine. It's not your mattress. It's not even insomnia. It's this. Your body thinks you're in danger. When you scroll late at night, when you stress all day, when you're constantly stimulated, your nervous system stays in fight or flight mode. Cortisol up. Heart slightly elevated. Mind alert. You're in bed. But your brain thinks you're still in the wild. And in the wild, you don't fall asleep. You survive. Point number 3, modern overstimulation. Think about your day. Emails. Traffic. Deadlines. Notifications. News. Comparison. Noise. Your brain never gets a signal that says, you're safe now. So when you finally lie down, it doesn't shut off. Because it was never told it could. Sleep doesn't come to a stimulated mind. It comes to a safe one. Point number 4, the 90-second reset actionable part. So here's what actually works. Not a supplement. Not another productivity trick. Just this, a safety signal. Try this tonight, exactly what the ancient yogis of India did for centuries. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale for 8. Do that 5 times. This simple breath, they called it pranayama, tells your nervous system, we're not running anymore. Then gently put your hand on your chest, right over your heart. The ancient rishis called this the seat of inner peace. And quietly say, I'm safe. There's no threat. Sounds simple. But your nervous system doesn't respond to logic. It responds to signals. Just like those ancient tribes and yogis used breath, rhythm, and a gentle hand on the heart to tell the body it was finally okay to rest. Sleep isn't something you force. It's something you allow. You don't need to try harder. You need to feel safer. And once your body believes that, just like the sages taught, sleep stops being a fight. It becomes natural again. Because your brain isn't broken. It's just overstimulated, and waiting for the ancient signal that it's finally safe to let go. And when you finally sink into that deep, dreamless sleep, that's where the magic hits. No thoughts, no drama, no me versus the world. Just pure you, your real self, no filters, no duality. You tap into that divine power, that non-dual vibe where everything's one. Bliss on another level. Like the ancient sages knew, in that deep rest, you're not just sleeping. You're straight up merging with the infinite, recharging as the real deal. Wake up tomorrow feeling unstoppable. Thank you.